my pimping game is strong, and I'm deadly from the back. I'm a motherfucking don, I'm the boss of the shit. I'ma lay my shit down when I'm giving the dick. See, I'm crucial as fuck, I'm a man on the list, but I'm grooving by my lonesome cause I'm not finding it. Talking the queen of my world, they say it's fish in the sea, but the one I wanna be with still hasn't been shown to me. So I'm grooving, I'm booming, I'm living be alone like a king in this castle, just sitting lonely on his throne. I be flossing, I be glossing, but really not too much talking, cause I'm looking for the one. Some might even call it stalking. When I find her, I'ma treat her, I'ma keep her, I'ma love her, being the best I can. We can fuck without the rubber, have her feeling on my body. I know she like this chocolate, I'm seeing that she feel me, and you know I wanna rock it. Been seeing you a lot, I've been drawn from the start. I peep you on my phone, then I leave with my heart. I wanna hit you up, I wanna hear your voice, I wanna make you mine, and that is my choice. We gon' always keep it cool, and always keep it true. I'm looking for you